In today's video, we'll be looking at database terminologies. The three terminologies that we're looking at today are an entity, an attribute, and a tuple. An entity is a concept or object that is being described. For example, student, item. An item, for example, we're speaking about products being sold, for example, in a shop. The second database terminology that we'll be looking at is an attribute. An attribute is a property or characteristic that is used to describe a specific entity. For example, in the vehicle table, examples of attributes are the make of the vehicle, the license plate number, and color. Columns are used to represent attributes in a relational table. This defines the data to be stored, so the attribute indicates the structure of the data. The third terminology that we will be looking at is tuple. A tuple represents the entire record for a specific entity. A tuple in a database table is a single row.